I started trading more or less in 2001, also before losing a lot of money in buying stocks and so on tips from my colleagues. But in 2001, I made the big move from the company to becoming a full-time trader. Then later on, I moved also adding Forex strategies, which actually are the same models I use on the future, but I also added Forex because I could have a variety of different new instruments in the different Forex pairs, which by the way have each of them a different identity. So it's also interesting to discover on each different pair the best way to trade it. I have a huge portfolio of strategies. I mean, I have plenty of strategies working together, and I focused, and I still focusing a lot on the risk of each strategy and the risk of them working together. All my starting points come from the potential scenarios of losses, and I work on that, and only when I'm satisfied, let's say, with the worst case scenario, I start focusing on the profits. I look what profits could derive from that acceptable scenario. Today, my strategies are working completely automated. They are working on a machine which is sending orders automatically. So I'm here talking to you while the strategies are working. I think the ideal situation scenario would be two portfolios, two programs, two systems, strategies, how they call them, where one is for quiet investors who think that this program as an investing opportunity with stable returns over the years, small drawdowns, and the other one for smaller portions of money for people who want higher returns, obviously accepting higher drawdowns and a higher risk on every single operation. I met people from Actuary last year, and they presented their idea about the multi-trader, which I liked. And if I can put also my products in there, would be great, and which is what we are planning to do. Actually convinced me, not in terms of numbers, they never spoke about what could be the potential of the business. What I liked, the feeling I got, they were really worrying about the customers. I mean, they have a product in mind, they have the vision about what's going to be, but the reason why this should be there is the customer. So I mean, all the project is actually driven by the customer satisfaction. I like this because they try to do the best they can here because they want the customer here to be happy. So when I felt this, they were not saying, but this is what I got as a feeling talking to them, and all the focus they had was always about what would be the outcome for the customer if we do this, if we do that. When I saw this attention to the customer, I said, I think these are the good partners for me because they like to do something where somebody is satisfied. And I think that the cooperation we could build could be built in this direction, to try to do the best things to give a product which is liked. I don't say loved because it would be too much,